Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in to Capital One online banking on PC. Capital One is a multinational bank having multiple of financial services and products. To log into Capital One online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.capitalone.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Capital One. Now here you can see sign in bar on the top. Now to sign in, here you need to first enter your username on the given box. Then if you want your username to be remembered, click on remember me box. After that, enter your correct password on the given box. If you don't remember your username or password, click on forgot username and password option. With this, click on Set up online access if you need to register for your online banking. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign in option. After this, for security reason, you need to verify your identity. You need to go through the method stated on the verification of your Capital One. With this, you need to complete the verification process and then you'll be able to log into your Capital One online banking on PC. This is how we can log in Capital One online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.